Hello. I'm actually really excited because I don't know how to describe this. This is the finale of part three of like the third playthrough of Yoshi's Island or Yoshi's Story. Sorry, I keep doing that. But that's not why I'm excited. I am excited personally because this is. I don't have enough eggs. I don't have any eggs. Um. Oh, they want me to climb up, so they want me to go up here. Difficulty. What? That's weird. Is there a way to get big? Okay. Goodness, that's infuriating. I hate these enemies. Also, I did not know that the fucking tax rod song was used in more than one level. Oh my god! I hate my life. No. Oh my god, I hate these enemies. The cool thing is, I'm at the start of the next level, so that means I can just kind of. Okay, that does kill it. Good. I still have to find hearts. I have to find 2 hearts to unlock the next level 3 for the next area. I'm out of eggs. I need to get more. Hopefully they can't get over here. Um, as I was saying, I'm excited because this is the final video that I have to record, even though it's going up at a weird time, and it shouldn't be the final video. It is. It's the final video um, that I'm recording until November, because October is a bunch of Halloween shit, and that you know, is already recorded. Which means I get to take a recording break for October, and then in November I get to come back and record more shit. Well, I guess late October I have to record more shit. That's kind of a cool effect where it like topples over like a fucking thing. I'm gonna save state. What's the save state button? F5. Okay. I don't think breaking this is gonna do anything. F7. Not sure what they want. Is there something about like if I didn't? No, I'm good. Let's just push this down. Okay. I didn't think. Am I crazy for thinking that like this would be a solid thing? Like I don't think I'm crazy for that. I feel like this is gonna be used for something. I feel like I'm out of eggs and should probably walk back and get some. I also feel like I missed a fruit. Let's get some more eggs, because this is apparently the only place to fucking get eggs in this goddamn godforsaken place. 5, 6, 7. But yeah, I have all of October in terms of recordings recorded, and I have obviously all of November or September. So it's gonna be weird. I'm used to recording. Uh, I kind of got out of the hospital after not recording for so long for Let's Plays, and I missed it so much. So I was like kind of excited to get back to it, so I kind of overworked myself. What? I don't know why that didn't die, but okay. I don't know what's going on. Like, I don't know what this box is for. And now there's 2 of them? I don't... Is this something... Do I have to break this first? I don't... I forgot I'm out of eggs. I have to go get more. Gosh, okay. I don't know what those blocks are for, is my current issue. I might cut until I get back to where I was. I don't want to waste your guys' time with another like 3 to 4 minutes of this shit. I'm taking a lot of risk for someone who really doesn't want to die. Okay, let's F5 again. That save states. And then if I push fast hard enough, that happens. I don't think they would just have these boxes that don't do anything. Is what I'm thinking. Like, these boxes have to do something. But there's not much they can do. Like, there's just 2 boxes. And I think it's just a bottomless pit. I don't understand. Like, that's just the end. There's nothing else. here. Uh, let's. Can I go in the middle? Okay. That's F5. Do we have to push this off a cliff? Maybe we have to push both off of a cliff. No? Do I break them in this order? What's the point? What's the motherfucking point? They don't do anything. And that's the end of the area, so I don't know what the hell is going on, but whatever. I keep thinking that the fruit... I'm thankful that the actual piranhas aren't fucked up like that. Whoa, it's an enemy. It's an actual enemy. I don't know how to get that. Oh, I guess that's how. I still love the tax fraud music. Okay, okay, okay. What up? The tax fraud music's so good. Like, I know I know the tax fraud thing ruined it to the point where like I can't think about like this song without thinking of the tax fraud rap. But I don't mind. I don't mind if Peak recognizes Peak. This does sound like that though. Like it's oh, there's one. I only need to get one more heart. There's an extra fucking cloud for some reason. I'm actually F7ing because that's awful. Okay, didn't want to abuse save states at fucking Yoshi store of all things, but this level sucks shit. This level fucking sucks. I have to keep in mind that like the platforms, they don't block eggs. Okay, I did it. I got the thing. Without it falling, I feel accomplished. Oh, what? There's a cloud down there? I don't know what that's about. Game slowed down for a minute. But yeah, it feels weird. It feels weird being kind of done. Like, it feels weird not having to record anything for like a whole month after recording like sometimes 2 or 3 videos in a day. You know? Because I think it's partially the PS5 breaking and partially like just in general like I don't know, wanting to record and not having anything to do right now. Okay. No. It's fine. Okay, come on. Okay. Now I can get all my eggs back. Fucking jungle shit. Alright. Let's get that fucking heart again. Yay. The hearts are stupid, right? I'm not crazy, like the hearts are just a stupid fucking mechanic. That you have to get them to unlock future levels. Or whatever. I just think it's a stupid mechanic. I don't know, maybe I'm biased. I can't beat the level because I have to find the I have to find the other heart. So I gotta be careful about how much fruit I eat. Fuck off! I'm not accepting this. I hate this level so much that I don't even care that I'm save scumming it. I don't even care that I'm save scumming fucking Yoshi. No! That's not fun. No! Okay. We made it. I like that Piranha Plant having just a good time in the background. He's just chilling, you know? He's just kind of wobbling back and forth. It didn't play the flutter noise, so I didn't know what was going on. Okay. Oh my fucking god. The weirdest thing is like, I recorded the final episode of the Halloween series, whatever you want to call it. It's not really like a series, it's unrelated videos. I guess they are related in the sense that they're spooky, or they're spooky themed at the bare minimum. I don't have any more. Oh, I do have eggs. I thought I didn't have any more eggs. It's fine. I'm getting close to the end anyway, and I kind of, you know, I kind of need to not get every fruit. But I will stop when I get to, one more fruit and you win, or whatever, shit. But yeah, I just recorded the final episode of the Halloween shit, And the current issue is that my train of thought is stuff that I discussed in that video, but like you guys won't see for another X amount of weeks or whatever. So I should not bring up that train of thought because you'll be getting part 2 of a conversation that you won't be getting part 1 of for however long. It's at 5 because this might be a heart. This might be a heart that falls or something. I don't. Coins are for points, but points don't matter. Okay. Okay. 5 more fruits, and I still have to find that second heart. Hopefully that's easier done than said. I don't know. 4. Okay, Did I kill it? Yes. I don't know why peppers don't count. Why doesn't Yoshi like peppers? Spicy food's good sometimes. I can't handle it, but spicy... But Yosh should be able to handle... Should be able to handle a little spice. A little heat. I'd rather if you eat a good the secret fruit thing. Special fruit, whatever. I don't have any more eggs. I feel like that's a point of no return, so I'm going to F5. Go get an egg. There was an egg thing down here, right? There was an egg thing down here, right? Okay. Doesn't matter because there's no enemies. I should be able to climb up this decently fast, seeing as there's no enemies. There's one enemy. I think there's a shy guy up here, but he's like on a platform that I can ignore. This is what you get for thinking you can cheat the system, kids. Okay. I forgot how good your jump is in this game. Like, it's fucking really long. Just like Yoshi's snoot. You thought I was gonna say something? I don't know. I'm just being dumb. There's not much to say at this point. We're just climbing the same platform over and over again. But yeah, this game's... I don't want to say it's really easy. It's just really simple and you could beat it really fast. If I had to wager a guess, I'd say I'm gonna save state right now. Oh, that is a heart. I got him. Okay. I just need to eat 2 more fruit. And let's see what this is. What's this? Okay. I just need, like, barely any more fruit, guys. I just need 2 more fruit. Can you... Oh boy, ball. The fucked up ball. Everyone's favorite. That was cool as hell. 1 more fruit. I'm out of eggs. I swear to you all that I jumped. I don't know why I didn't register. God. Okay, we're almost done. I assume there's going to be a fruit really fast. Like, really soon. Not really fast. I don't even know if I need this ball. I still love that this happens with this emulator. If it matters, I'm using Project 64. I don't know. Oh. Eh. Was there another coin that I missed? I assume it's gone. Let's see if I can do this. Did it. Okay. Looks like we're done. I'm going to drink some water. Okay. I assume we didn't get that many points. Yeah. Less than any other level in this entire game that we've done. Okay. Kind of figures that now that I'm doing 3 levels per episode instead of 2, that the levels start getting a little bit longer. But whatever. The Yoshis knew the woods, but they had never seen a place like the jungle. Except the 2 or 3 other times that they have. Is that true? Yeah, I guess there were no other piranha plants before this point. 1 plant could swallow the Yoshi's whole. I feel like that one plant could swallow most of the creatures in the Mario universe whole. At least most main characters. fucking hate those little, like, the piranha plant heads that were flying around. It's, like, infuriating. Alright, let's go to number 3. Oh, a ground level, no water. Shy Guy Limbo, I remember this level. Um, dark blue seems to fit, thematically. Okay, let's figure this out. I don't like that music. That's usually wacky stuff's gonna happen music. My cloud. Oh, I know. I guess I didn't get the cloud. I like how touching that stick hurts you, by the way. I'm pretty sure it does. Yeah. Touching that stick hurts you. I don't know why. It's a fucking stick. Okay, I'm at full. It's hard to tell if I'm at full. Goodness. Uh, okay. I feel like getting the hearts is going to be hopefully straightforward here. Because this seems like a straightforward level. There's not like a million alternate paths or whatever. It just seems like a more simple setup level. Whoops. The issue is finding... Oh, that's not the kind of heart that I wanted, but I'll accept it. Did it kill all the enemies on screen? I never got this. Like, there's enemies down there. I don't think I can eat them. I don't know what they're doing down there. Is it just to show off the, Okay, I can see. Oh my gosh. Okay. God. Okay, I assume there's gonna be a heart up here. I can hope. I'm a bit worried that this is gonna be a point of no return. But I can also be hopeful that there's a heart. That sure is a picture of a melon. Okay. What's happening? I don't understand. Am I stupid? What's this? I can't read that. Jump from one starting line, fly for a... I can't read that. Okay. F5, I guess. Huh? I don't... I accidentally save stated. I don't know what happened. I guess I missed out on 7 fruit. Okay, now what? I'm confused. Where am I? Okay, this is where that... Wait, why am I mostly dead? I don't... Why am I mostly dead? I don't know what's going on. Yoshi, please. Help me. Why am I dead? Why am I dying? I don't know why I'm dying. I just know that I am. Okay. One of these might lead to a heart, so I have to try. Nope, it's just a melon. I will say, needing to find the fucking... Like, if you're going for the fucking fruit, or the, if you're going for the hearts, there's at least, like, it adds a little game time, you know? Like, you need to actually look around the level, or whatever. Okay. Where's the Shy Guys in, like, the islander thing that they have going for them? No! F7. That was ages ago, but it's what I gotta do. If I don't want to die. And I don't want to die. Hey, but at least now I know that this is mostly useless. Like, just... Whoop. And then that takes me back, so... Okay. Well, that happened. I don't like to think about it. Yeah, I know what happened. You don't need to rub it in. What if I just go like this? Yeah, that's a lot easier. Instead of just trying to jump back to get the coins and that don't do shit. Okay. I keep thinking I died, and I'm like, don't I keep my fruits? I did die, but I bitched out and did save states instead. Okay. I at least know where A heart is now. And it's in an annoying spot. Well, I guess not an annoying spot. Just a slightly obnoxious one. Okay. F5. I like that there's a timer for something like for a heart that bad, like that's close to. Is that close to you. God. Can't talk. Okay. What the fuck are those? Oh. It's you. I see you guys are still as fucked up as ever. I kind of need hearts. Not hearts. Eggs. I do need hearts because I'm apparently dying. Okay. So I can just kind of bite through the slime or whatever. Uh-oh. No! I didn't want to do that. Take me back to 3. Okay. I hope there's gonna be a heart up here. Come on, this is clever. That I realize I can get on the clouds. And there's nothing up here. Not even a secret? Like, not even, like, if I go up higher or something? No. I thought I was being clever. Like, nobody would have thought of that. I don't know. I still need to find one more heart, so I can't eat all the fruits that I can. I can't keep eating like this. I'm gonna get to 1 fruit, and then hopefully I find the fucking second heart. The one that's gonna suck is, I'm hoping that this cloud gets me to hearts. But the issue is, if it doesn't get me to hearts, you know? Oh, I got hit. F5 in case I accidentally eat a fruit. Okay. This has to lead to... There it is. There's a heart. I can die a happy man. I can just eat 1 fruit, and I'll be good. Any fruit. Come on, game. There's got to be 1 more fruit in this level. Apple. Okay, we did it. Okay, I'm like, this place doesn't have a boss, right? Yoshi. Okay. Final world? Yep. Next up is the final world. Okay. That's the worst score we've ever gotten. Holy shit. At least in this playthrough. I like that the score goes down. But we are probably going to beat our score from last time. What, we need to get like 1,700 points total? We could probably do that. I'm just thankful that we didn't have to go through another water level, because I hate the water levels in this game. Okay, final world. Which means this is the final part of the final video that I'm recording until November or whatever. At least, most likely, the last video I record until late October, early November. On this channel, the TCG channel still has multiple videos I have to record. Huh? Where's 3? Where's 3? Oh, okay. It was hidden. I got scared. It was hidden. I'm like, where's 3? It's right there. Let's go with green because he's the Yoshi, you know? He's the main Yoshi. Ghosty. I like the boos in this game. I forgot how silly they look. They have fucking ear muffs and... Oh my gosh, no. Okay, that was not fun. I forgot. The gimmick is that if you don't make noise... If you don't make noise and instead you do this... He doesn't notice you because he has big ears but can't. Oh gosh, no. God, this level. That's probably nothing. If that's probably gonna be coins, and it's gonna kill me. Okay. Okay, that was for 1 melon. I like these ghost guys. Like, this is a cool level theme. Okay. No! F7. I don't care. You guys are gonna hear a noise. Yep, there it goes. Let's redo all that. Okay. I'm very careful now. I don't know why I'm trying to be quiet, like, in real life. Like, in terms of, like, recording this or whatever. Like, it's not like the ghost can hear me. This isn't Hey You Pikachu. Got the melon. Okay. Oh, I stayed quiet there for a second as I was focusing. Alright. Oh, no, it's one of these. Which pipe do I go in? Which pipe is a secret and which pipe is... Okay, so I think I... Okay. Okay, so I assume while I'm on it, it counts as me looking at it. What's this texture on it, though? It's weird. No, not again! I'm cutting. I'm cutting until I get back to where I was. I'm not making you watch that again. We're back. Okay. This better be worth it. I died like 4 times. This better be fucking worth it. Can we go back? Yes. We can go back. That's what matters right now. Is that we are allowed to go back. Okay. What is this? Nothing? Nothing. Possibly? I don't think we can bounce off of you. What do they want me to do? It's not like there's upgrades. It's not like there's a difference between Yoshis. Is this the way back from some... Like there's another pipe that leads me over there and this is the way back? I don't understand it. Either way, we're not looking for hearts, so I guess it doesn't matter. Need you to be higher, bro. Need you to be higher, bro. What? And then while I'm on it, it's free. Good. Okay. God, I hate that sometimes. What is this? Is this a secret? Or something? Again, I don't... There's nothing here. Is this yet another come back from the other angle? Or is this like something... Is there something else that I'm not getting? Okay, let's activate you. Door's still fucked up. Love to see it. Love to see a fucked up door. Oh boy, more of these. These are my least favorites. Fuck, no. No. No! This is awful. I don't see what that could possibly... It just led to a melon that I could get otherwise. Unless there's something I'm missing. Oh no, there's a bunch of doors. And keys. I don't like this, guys. I don't like when doors have keys that lead to other doors that lead to other keys. Oh, that probably led to that pipe. Can I get to that without it? Well, now I'm curious. F5. I don't know what that save stated. F5. I'm sorry about that noise. There's nothing I can do. My keyboard just randomly makes that noise. I was able to make it without it. Okay. Let's do this. Is this really what's happening? Oh shit. I see what's going on. F7. I have to catch them all. But catching them all is easier than said than done. What the fuck? I can't even get to the start. How many of these can I get before they start tilting? It's 3. Okay, so it's as much as you can carry, which in my case is 4. It's just... Okay. That's not happening. I'm sorry to say, but I don't think that's happening. Like, I don't think I can do this. It's so inconsistent. I just gotta go. Fuck, man. This sucks. I don't need to do this, but it's pissing me off that I can't do this. It's inconsistent, too. Like... It's fine. It's 1 less than max. It's fine. What do they want me to do? Because I can't go fast enough, right? Like, I can't go that fast. But I tried, see, why is it like that this time? What changed? I don't know what changed from last time. It's like an issue. Like, it's a legitimate problem. That doesn't... Fuck it, I can't do this. Oh shit, that... Dude! I can't do that. Are you insane? No, fuck that. Yeah, I'm not doing that. I hope there's more fucking fruit than that in the entire level. What if there's only 30 in this level? Wait, what? This is... Isn't this... Is this? Where is this? Was there a green pipe I missed somewhere? I don't know where I am anymore. I don't know what's going on anymore. I don't know, man. I'm just doing what I can. Okay, I know where I am now. I don't have a key, but there is an unlocked door up here. And there's a teleporter and checkpoint. Okay. Oh, hello. Look at that guy. That's an adorable little friend. Look at that helpful little ghost. That's a cute little guy. I love those little squirmy dudes. Okay, they're kind of wonky though, but they're still friends. They're still friends. They're just kind of wonky sometimes, but it's okay, aren't we all? I gotta get that fucking. God, I hate my keyboard right now. God, it's like my keyboard's haunted or something. I'm trying to tie this into spookies. Also, I think it's very fitting that the end of this Let's Play, or the end of this, the last video before the spooky stuff starts on our channel, on this channel, is a ghost It's like a transition, you know? It's like a transition that works in multiple contexts. Also, now that I think, never mind. I was gonna say the last Pokemon video that I recorded for this was also Morty, but that's just objectively wrong. I recorded Whitney after that. Okay, okay. We're doing good. I'm sorry, little ghosty friend, but I don't need you for this one. It's at 5. Oh my goodness, this seems bad. Oh my fucking god, are they serious? There's no way that's what they want. Can I go in the other direction? Maybe there's fruit friends on the other direction? I just have to ride these guys, right? There's no... Oh, there's a heart. Oh, that's nice at least. They give you a... They don't do shit for this side, though. I don't know what they want. I don't know what they want from me. It's cool that we got a heart, but my question is, what do they want from me? Okay, that's what they want from me. Oh, you were playing dangerous games, my friend. It's fine. I got a key. And there's flowers. That's an apple over there. That was not an apple over there. That was just the apple that we already got. That's where the heart was. I keep thinking there's fruit because there's fruit on the bottom of the screen. I keep thinking that, and I don't know why. That's fucking stupid. Alright. Let's finish off, I guess. We'll get to the unlocked door. Eat some of that flower thing. Oh, I'm back here. This is not where I anticipated being. I think it was through here. Right? Is this place, and there's like a flower. So as long as I'm relatively quiet. The thing is, weren't there multiple locked doors, or was there only just this one? They center in on where the sound came from. So if you... Thanks for the kindness of a jingle. This seems scary. Oh, okay. I thought this was a situation. I thought that was like a giant red eye of a monster, and it was similar to that one Wario Land stage in that one Wario Land stage in Smash. I don't remember which Smash Brothers introduced it, but I think it's in 4, and I'm pretty sure it's in Ultimate. And it's like, I'm gonna guess, was it in Brawl? I don't think it was. But it's still a cool stage. Slam down. Oh, I already have like full eggs. Whoops. Okay, that heals you. My question is, what now? I don't know why I didn't use my eggs. That's fine. That's not fine. Okay, that's fine. I got to full health. That's what matters. F5? Okay. What? Oh, do they want me to... Do they want me to purposefully, like, fall through? Oh, that's not how this works. I thought they were gonna be like those fucking platforms in games where, The screws, I think. Okay, one more fruit. Just one more fruit. Just one more, guys. Uh-oh. Please don't be a loop to the start. What? I'm missing one fruit. That was a coin. That wasn't a fruit. Okay. I'm missing a fruit. One singular succulent piece of whatever fruit is. I don't know what you would call fruit. Like, as a whole, I guess. Plant-based, sweet. I don't know. They don't even have to be sweet. Okay, my hope. And there's fruit on this side too. My hope is I don't have another key. And that door is locked. Red pipe? Maybe this will lead to something. I just need a fruit. As long as there's a fruit down here. A fruit? No fruit. I assume the yellow pipe's the same and there's not going to be any fruit. There's got to be something I missed. This feels infuriating. I should have tried to carry one block past all that shit with when I was at the fucking thing. I don't know why I didn't think of it. Maybe down here? Oh, there's a key. Can I skip this shit? Yeah, okay. I don't want to have to go back and then loop all the way back around again. We got the other key. As long as there's one fruit behind this locked door. There just needs to be a fruit. We're good and we're in the clear. Hey, Bucci. Great, that means there's something sniffable. Oh, there's just tiny little Oh, there's the fruit. We win. Final boss time. For the third time. Alright, let's fight him for the third time. The penultimate fight. I think this is all just the same text as before. Fuck off. Why does this seem harder? Why does this seem harder? This seems harder than normal. Why is this harder than normal? Am I insane? Fuck off. Do they know? Yeah, I'm invincible. I hate it. Do I need a bomb, or can anything hit these? Oh! I just hit them with the egg. Can I... Please stop. Can the invincibility stop? This seems harder. Do they know how many playthroughs I've done? Is this a situation where, like, they can tell that this is my third playthrough or whatever? Come on. Okay. We didn't quite do it. That's the second phase, obviously. Oh. And we win. We did it. That's playthrough number 3. One more playthrough. And then one more playthrough and we're done. And then like maybe a bonus video. Depends. Apparently there are different colored, like new colored Yoshis you can unlock. I'll look into that. In the final video, fucked up Bowser Jr. is going to be the thumbnail. I can promise you. That fucked up Bowser Jr. is going to be the thumbnail of the final episode of this series. Yep, we beat our score last time. Which means every score has gotten better. Like, yeah. Yep, every score's gotten better since I forgot about this. B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. Wait. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. Yeah, that's my name. Don't wear it out. Another playthrough done. I guess we're sitting through the full story again. Or at least you guys are. I'm gonna shut up. See you guys next time for the start of the final playthrough. Meaning this Let's Play has 2, maybe 3 episodes left at the end after this video. So I'll see you guys in November, I guess, for this. But I'll see you guys on October 1st for the start of the Halloween shenanigans.